I'm going to show you how to use AnswerThePublic, a free search engine that works as a question-based search engine to generate hundreds of content ideas all at zero cost. Step 1, navigate to Answer the Public. Step 2, put in your topic, whatever your genre or niche is that you want to generate content for. I found a really cool topical demonstration idea. So maybe you're a health industry website and you want to get information out to the people that are searching for it right now. And you want to know, what are people actually asking about the C word right now? So we run our little search in AnswerThePublic and we get a bunch of responses. So we've got 78 questions. We got 54 prepositions, 37 comparisons, and overall 208 queries that we can have a look at and have a look if we can write some content based on these questions people are actively searching for answers for. It's a great way to optimize your site for Google search traffic. So by default, it shows it in really pretty little circle graph here. Are, will, why, what, for example. We can break that down a little bit easier to look at in this table data format. So this is why we can sort different types of questions. So the top ones at the moment look like things like, are coronavirus cases dropping? Can coronavirus live in water? How has it started? Where does it come from? What does it mean for the global economy? So there's a whole range of different topics generated from just that one head key term there. So let's have a look at the prepositions now, put them in the data format. Can you get it twice? Can I visit my family? Info for kids, the rate of infection and slowing down, when will it end? Is it near me? All that kind of good stuff. Comparisons would be a really interesting one to have a look at. So we've got an and kind of keyword contributor here. So C word, and asthma, and diabetes, and pregnancy, and children. So some very specific kind of search terms people are looking for information for. And then if you just go to alphabetical, it'll give you pretty much everything that it's dug up based on that query and search term for. So again, super easy way to find topic and content ideas, all free. All you need to do is punch in your keyword, and then you get a bunch of replies and topic ideas that you can actually download to a CSV and maybe sort out into categories, rank by preference and writing order, and maybe even stage of funnel. You can pop them into just a shared doc or a Trello board or something like that. But yeah, that's one way to really quickly get some really great content ideas for queries that people are legitimately searching for answers for. So go out there and get writing.